I'm back to do my Monday minis, and I have 21s, and today I'm going to just use the 6-sided die. 5, 1, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 1, 3, 1, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and the last one's going to 1. So first is my tiger challenge, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, and 4. And then next is my July challenge, and I got $1. And then this is from Grammy's Journey, and it got $1. And here's $1. And then this one's the cancer challenge from Simply Sarah Saves, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4. So $4. And then this is from Valerie at Cash Budget Retiree, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then last up is my August challenge, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do a 3 and a 1. And just X them. And that's all the money today. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great week. Bye.